Okay, we have a Romi Cnc combination teach lathe, model M17, serial number 002093204-403. This machine was new in 2007 and we're going to run it for you. It has 17-inch swing over the bed by 43-inch center distance. It has a FANUC 21 IT control. Right now we're running at 500 RPM. Very quiet, goes up to 4,000. That's 1,500. It has a 2.09 inch hole through the spindle. 2,000 RPM. Right now it has a Romi 7 3/4 inch 3-jaw chuck on it. He's moving it right now, the Z-axis through the digital hand wheel. The X-axis, you have hard in the ground dovetail waves on the cross slide and a hard in the ground bed. He switched it to fine feed, and you can see on the control it becomes a digital readout, and he's in fine feed on the Z. Also, he is rapiding it. All right, on the Z and on the X. Great. Machine also has a tailstock, which is number 4 Morse taper. It has 4.72 inch travel. This one has a live center in it. He's unlocking it on the bed. He's sliding it. Great. The control has manual guidance software, teach mode, conversational G code, built-in DRO in the manual option. Dorian quick change tool post was on the carriage with multiple holders. Hey, thank you for watching our video.